These days, mobile phones have taken over as our favorite gadgets, almost like tiny, powerful computers that fit in our pockets. They do so much more than just calls or send texts. Imagine having a top-notch camera with you all the time, ready to snap photos of unexpected, beautiful moments or record videos of special events. And they are our gateways to the vast world of the internet and social media, where we can connect with friends, follow the latest trends, and share our own stories and photos. Think about how easy it is to pay bills or shop online now. No more standing on long lines or dealing with slow service. With just a few taps on our phones, we can handle our finances and shop for anything we need. And traveling, it's a whole new experience with our phones. Planning a trip used to be a hassle, but now we can book flights, reserve hotels, and find the best restaurants in town, all from the palm of our hand. Getting lost is a thing of the past, and with maps and navigation apps guiding us every step of the way. When we want to relax, our phones are our go-to entertainment hubs. Whether it's binge watching or latest series on Netflix, catching up on a YouTube video, or diving into an exciting game, our phones have it all. They are also personal trainers helping us to stay fit and healthy with various fitness apps and trackers. And when it comes to work, productivity apps help us stay organized and efficient, turning our phones into powerful tools for getting things done. Our smartphones are more than just gadgets. They are our trusty sidekicks, always ready to help us out. They keep us connected, entertained, and on track, almost like modern-day magic. But remember, there's a whole world out there beyond our screens. So keep exploring, enjoy the wonders of technology, and don't forget to look up and experience life firsthand. As always, embrace the tech, but don't let it take over. T for tech.